Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can fix your guided access not working on iPhone. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you are having that kind of problem, let's go ahead first open our settings right here. Once you get it, simply go ahead, go to search bar and type in guided access. Go ahead, tap on it, and then you can see this kind of interface, right? So you can see this is turned on. So if you see this accessibility shortcut, so for example, if you try to triple click and you are not being able to open it, that's because you have turned this off over here. Simply go ahead, turn this on for that matter. And if it's still not working, then what you can do is simply off your guided access for once, go back, and then you will see this, right? So what you can do is simply you're gonna restart your device right here. Once you're done doing that, you will again go to your settings, you will open it up, and then you will again tap on guided access. Go ahead and turn this on, and then again try back using it. That's how you can simply do it. And the other thing that you can check over here is go back, go to search bar again, tap on software update, go ahead, tap on it. So as you can see, it's done being updated as well. Go ahead, update it. This will also help. If you got more concerns, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.